Oh, my candle's burned out. Oh, I didn't see it here. I'm CK. This is my kitchen. This is CK's Kitchen Channel. And today we're just going to make something a little light, a little snack. CK wasn't feeling well today, and she asked me for one of her comfort foods, egg salad. She wants egg salad. But I was thinking I want to be a little different, a little fancy schmancy, a little satanic. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about? What I want to do is deviled egg salad. You like that? Deviled egg salad? See, this is what we're going to do. So we're going to make basically the fill-in of deviled eggs and then mix the whites in to make egg salad. So I got quarter cup of mayonnaise, like a teaspoon of vinegar, a teaspoon of mustard. I'm using Coleman's English mustard because, like I said, I'm fancy. I'm doing English mustard. Hello. Yeah, right? You got it? All right. An eighth a teaspoon of salt. And then a little bit of paprika, a little bit of red pepper, because, CK doesn't like the black pepper because of allergies. And the white pepper, maybe it does too, because they're the same thing. It's one plant. So we're switching it up. We're doing red. Just, I don't know, I'll eyeball it. And then, some celery because it's egg salad, and tomato because I like tomato on my egg salad sandwich. I'm like, that's not going into egg salad. It's going onto egg salad like a layer flavors. And I got half dozen eggs. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to do this thing. Okay, here we go. First thing we're going to do is we're going to separate our eggs. They are already hard-boiled. How did I hard-boil them? I didn't actually hard-boil them. I hard pressure cooked steamed them. I put them in the Instant Pot for about 5 minutes with a cup and a half, 2 cups of water. I set it for 5 minutes. It takes longer than that to come to pressure, But I set it for 5 minutes, and then when it was done, I let it sit in there for what they call the natural release. I don't know what's natural about being in an Instant Pot, but whatever. 5 more minutes, that's 5 and 5. Then, as soon as that 5 minutes up, do a quick release, take them out, drop them in an ice bath. That's a bath with ice, right? We used a bowl. We didn't use a bathtub. And then 5 minutes, shock freeze them in there for 5 minutes. So it's 5, 5, and 5. It's called the 5, 5, and 5 Instant Pot hard-boiled egg method. It's a lot of words. But it makes the eggs, they just peel like bada boom, which is perfect if you're going to make deviled eggs because you want a perfectly peeled egg without divots. And there's no divots here. This is perfect. So look, perfect. So I'm going to slice up the eggs just to get the yolks out. I guess I'll just cut it in half because yolks on me. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now that they all are separated, like a little egg yolk lollipop, delicious. I'm going to smash it up just a little bit, get myself started. I don't got no fancy setup where you can see what I'm doing. Unless, CK, you want to carry the camera over and point. I don't know what you want to do. But, so we're just going to start getting a little head start on the mash. And then we're just going to throw the ingredients in. We're going to throw in an eighth a teaspoon of salt. Going to measure out a round teaspoon of vinegar. Turn this around, wada boom. And then we'll do a oblong teaspoon of mustard. I like my mustard oblong. I don't know why, I just do. British mustard is better oblong. Okay, it would have been smarter to do the mustard, then pour the vinegar into the same spoon, and clean out the mustard with the vinegar. That would have been smarter, but I ain't smart. I never claimed it. And then what's left? Some mayonnaise. A quarter cup just laying around. I might need more mayonnaise. I don't know, because a quarter cup is like my amount for making deviled eggs filling. And but this is going to have to also coat the whites of the eggs. So I'm not worried about the flavors elements having to be increased or anything because they flavor the eggs, the whole deviled egg as you eat it as a whole unit anyway. But just for moisture, I may have to revisit the mayonnaise situation. We'll see as we go. Did that. I'm going to do a little sprinkle of paprika, bada boom, and a little shot of pepper, not too much red pepper because red pepper is a little stronger than black pepper, partially because it's red pepper, cayenne, partially because it's ground fine instead of just a coarse grind of black pepper, so you really get it in all the nooks and crannies, you know? So now I'm just going to mash this together and make the wet pot of our egg salad. Hey, I'm just finishing up. So now I got a nice smooth egg yolk filling. This would make perfect deviled eggs, but we're not making deviled eggs, we're making deviled egg salad. So first of all, for egg salad, I have chopped up some celery fine because I like celery for a little crunch. Could also use like onion, like red onion would be nice, but CK prefers not to have red onion in it, so you know, we're using celery for our crunch. So we'll mix that in. Just a quick mix. And a little trade secret, after I diced the celery, I salted it. I lightly salted it because, you know, salt brings out the flavor of the celery. So it's pre-salted a little bit. Not a lot, just if I was going to snack on it, you know? All right. I forgot an egg. How do you forget an egg? How in the world does that happen? How does one forget an egg? I got to smash another egg in there. It'll get smashed. It's fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dice these eggs up, the egg whites up nicely. I'm going to cheat. I'm going to try cheating. I'm going to try using an egg slicer. We'll do it on one and see what happens. See if it speeds up the process. Yeah, it cuts into nice little strips. That's a good starting point. We'll do that. We'll cut them all into nice little strips. And then we'll cut the strips. What if we put the strips back in, cut them again the other way? Oh my God, we're getting a dice. We're getting like Andrew Dice Clay. It's the dice man cometh here. So we cut them into strips. We put the strips back in 90 degrees different. You know, we still may need to run a knife through it, but this looks like it's a technique that's gonna, you know, give us some even cuts. You know what I'm talking about? And through the magic of editing, we'll see in a minute. So I'm just running the knife through it a little bit just to make sure I get small pieces. I don't want to have to smash the whites like I smashed the yolks, you know? I don't feel like it's necessary to double smash my eggs. So running the knife through it. It's a good alternative. Cutty cut, 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 cut. You're going to put the eggs into the bowl. Eggs in bowl. Reunite the long lost separated egg whites and egg yolks together in peace and harmony. Then I'm going to give them a little stir. Now turn what looked like it was going to be deviled eggs into deviled egg salad. Now I'm going to judge if it's a little dry, if it needs a little shot of mayo to thicken it up. Because, you know, egg salad and deviled eggs don't exactly have the same consistency. And I am going to say, I don't know, I think it's a little dry. I think it needs a little bit of mayo. Just a shot. Just a shot of mayo. Just to moisten this thing up a little bit. Not a lot, just a little extra. I kept the mayo on hand. I thought this might be a thing. Well, it was an egg white. I thought it was mayo. All right, that's looking good. So now it's time for the taste test. Let's prep that, shall we? Taste test time. Got on a little bit of rye bread with a little bit of tomato. I told you I like tomato. Not gonna lie, that's really good. It's got a lot more oomph than your regular egg salad, you know? CK, come here. You gotta get in on this.
Yeah. Oh, this looks so good. Thanks, CK. Mmm. 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 So good.
Anyway, that's our deviled egg salad from CK's Kitchen Channel to your kitchen channel, or your kitchen, or your living room, or the back seat of the bus, wherever you happen to be watching this. We say Happy Hanukkah, because it happens to be Hanukkah. Coinkadinky. And have a great day. Go make some egg salad.
See ya.